Since Minecraft first came out in 2011, Mojang have released over 600 different versions, but only a few of these changes ever made it into the final game. Why did Mojang delete these updates? And what secrets are they trying to hide? Today, I'm testing Minecraft's strangest deleted versions, starting with Snapshot version 22W13, block at a time. At a glance, everything seems normal, right? Until I switch into first person. What is wrong with this? Why do I have two hands? But trust me, it gets a lot stranger than this. What is this? Look, I dug up the block and now I'm holding it between my two hands. In fact, in this version, you can only hold one block at a time. You can see I don't have a hunger bar, no hot bar, no XP bar, and when I try and hit E on my keyboard, there's no inventory. This is it. And honestly, I wouldn't hate on you if you guys thought I was faking this with a mod or something. But look at this screen. It says /vanilla/snapshot. And if you still don't believe me, just Google this version. It is real. But why would Mojang release a version where I behave exactly like a mob that we all know? The Enderman. Only being able to pick up one block at a time. Does this version have something secret that it's hiding about the Enderman, or something about its history, origin, or lore that it's trying to tell us? Because surely they wouldn't expect us to play this version. I mean, it would be so difficult to have to pick up only one block at a time. Bro, what? Grass isn't even a block, it is an item. This doesn't make any sense. Can I still, like, attack pigs? What happens if they drop pork chop? Where'd the pig go? Huh? No. Usually, when Mojang releases a new update, they'll add blocks, mobs, or even items to the game. So then why would Mojang release this? To find answers, I began exploring. Maybe there's something different about this village. Otherwise, Mojang didn't change a single thing. I mean, updates are supposed to be helpful, but this is just torture. Why would Mojang waste their time creating something like this where they're literally just removing features from the game? Hold up, a chest in a blacksmith that has tons of items. How do you open the chest? Because I don't have an inventory. I guess we just try clicking it. Wait, I can't. I'm spam clicking and nothing's happening. What happens if I break it? What? Guys, I just tried to break it and it just exploded. That is not supposed to happen. And the items literally look like they're like blocks. How do I can't put the armor on. I can only pick it up and throw it. What? I don't understand. Hold up. So I can pick up items, I can pick up blocks, and I can pick up mobs, but like, wait, what happens if I try and pick up multiple mobs? Because we know we can only pick up one block, but what about mobs? Does that change anything either? Whoa. No. This is, I don't understand. I'm literally creating a tower of villa. You can just keep going. You can make the tower as high as you want. So, hold up. Does that mean I could, wait, if I throw them down, they're still in a tower. So I could theoretically combine a villager tower with a pig tower, right? What other weird glitches can I do in this? I just don't get it though. This version makes zero sense. Why can I only pick up one block? Why is everything so strange? I mean, Mojang, I've never seen another update like this. Why did they release this? What makes it so different? Searching all over the internet, and still, I found barely any information about this version. Until meet one of Mojang's employees who apparently or allegedly actually aided Mojang in developing this bizarre version. Now, I'm gonna ask him for help on this video. I've spent a ton of time tracking him down, but obviously he just might completely ghost me. I mean, he accepted my friend request, so maybe we might be able to get something out of him, but I don't know. Depending on how secretive this version is, he might not want to help us at all. Why was it made? Okay, I mean, it says he's online, but he's on Do Not Disturb mode. Guess while we wait for an answer, I'm just gonna have to continue my search for Minecraft's strangest deleted version. Snapshot 13W38A. Reports claim that this version has a secret setting that breaks everything. Snapshot 23, that's not even close to 13. How old is this version? I'm literally still scrolling. Wait, we're in the 13s. There it is. Back from 1.6.4, 13W38A. All right, let's create this and give it a go. But where could this secret setting even be hiding? I mean, Mojang could have literally hidden it anywhere. Is it in the F3 menu? No, maybe it's hiding behind this press E to open your inventory. Okay, I did that. It's not there either. I guess we just need to start searching. And yet, no matter how far I ran, there was still nothing. I have literally searched through every biome, every dimension. I have found nothing. If it's not in this world, where could it be unless... Do you think it's actually in my legit settings? No way it would be that obvious, right? I hate myself. Super secret settings. What? I don't get... If I click it, does that do anything? Don't notice anything different. When I click it, nothing happens. Wait. No, look. What the... Dude, what happened to the game? Wait, this is like a shader pack. It's changing the lighting of the game. Hold up, what happens if I click it again? It made it slightly darker. And what? How is this an actual version that Mojang released? I don't understand. So if I keep clicking it, it's like super saturated now. It's like, everything's like slightly blurry. These are just a bunch of like different effect shaders. Oh my gosh, the world is upside down. Invert it. That is absolutely nightmare fuel. I don't understand. These shaders themselves, they don't do anything. It just changes the look of the game. Why would Mojang call something super secret and then literally add it in the menu where everyone can see it? Why is it not in the game files or somewhere where it's actually secret? Turns out Mojang was actually baiting players into activating this super secret setting. Maybe the official Minecraft Wikipedia has our answer. Okay, Java Edition Snapshot 2013. That was so long ago. And what did they add? A new command? That doesn't seem interesting. NBT data? Achievements for diamonds? This doesn't seem that strange to me. Item frames, zombies, achievements? There it is. The super secret settings. The bottom now applies different experimental shaders. That's what we just discovered, but it doesn't tell us why. Hold up, look at this. Readjusted fog distance to appear nearer the render distance limit, reverting changes made in a previous snapshot. Fog now covers 25% of the view distance compared to 75%. Wait, before this version, Mojang always had fog, preventing players from spotting things in the distance, and now they've just conveniently added these shaders which also restrict your vision. I mean, one of them was literally just blurry. Coincidence? I think not. Perhaps Mojang added this on purpose to stop us from spotting something, but what? I tried figuring out what Mojang was hiding, but couldn't find an answer. Except I did find something even stranger. So I just came back from researching and the shaders seem to have gotten worse, or at least changed, but I didn't touch anything. I'm just gonna leave this in the corner while I show you what I found. But guys, if you see anything change with that screen, please let me know in the comments. Okay, so I found a ton of reports and then even an official wiki post here that says that this setting can crash in slower computers or just slow down the game severely. And people were saying that the longer they played this version, even if they didn't use this super secret settings, the game would just get more laggy. But why would Mojang give everyone a version that lags their game on purpose? Because Mojang actually wanted players to quit Minecraft forever. You see, the super secret settings were released in the same month when Mojang was rumored to release Minecraft 2.0, their new game. Sadly, this game never actually got released, and so the super secret settings were removed just a few versions later. But was this all a trick to get players to buy their new game? And if you thought that was strange, why did Mojang delete Snapshot 14W 17A only a few weeks after it was released? And since it was officially deleted, you can only get this from bootleg websites. I really hope this doesn't give me a virus, man. It's loading. My screen's black. Oh no. Downloading? What? Wait. It's downloading. It worked. Client.jar. Oh boy. Okay, I really hope that didn't just steal my credit card information, but allegedly people claim that you were able to create fully customizable worlds in this version. So let's find out. Snapshot 14W 17A. The secret is when creating a world, change to game mode creative, and then set your world type to one that only exists in this version, customized. And when I hit this button, you are going to be amazed. Look at this. There is just so many settings that you can modify to your liking. But this is just one page. There's another one which allows you to set where and how much of every ore you can imagine. And then advanced settings, expert users only? Dude, I don't even know what this means. Depth, noise, scale. I have never heard of that before. You can't use commands or mods to do any of this. This is literally the code of Minecraft. Like what is upper limit scale? Biome, depth, width, offset? I am in awe with the options we get. So why'd they get rid of it? And then there's, what's this, randomize? Presets? Dude, look at this Caves of Chaos. That's crazy. Or good luck. Okay, I want to try what this is. Good luck? What does that mean? I don't understand. What is this? Wait, what happened to the lakes, bro? They're just dried up and empty. And, I have never seen this biome before. Look at this. This is crazy, dude. Is this a new biome for this version, or wait, maybe it's just because I customized it like that? Is that because of this good luck? Why did they get rid of all these new and unique biomes for this version? Okay, well, that's great. The first part of this report is true. We can get fully customized worlds. But what about the much, much scarier second half of the reports? Almost every player who tested this snapshot reported a ton of bugs and claimed they were intentionally added. Some of these screenshots are really creepy. Like, what is that? Do you see that black figure there? Look, if we zoom in, what is that? I have no idea. It's not a zombie. It's not any kind of mob. It can't be a player. There's no server or multiplayer compatibility in this version of the game. It's just this black figure. It's not even like the shape of blocks. I don't understand. And look at how weird and blurry this is. Hold up, let's see what other screenshots there are. No. Do you see that? There it is. It's really, really small, but can you guys see it? It's the same black figure. Hold up. Guys, can you rewind the video and check my footage? Was there a black figure anywhere on the screen? Please, if there was, send me an email at ey@spawnpointmedia.com and tell me, because there might be more to this version than it just being a weird deleted version. There might be like some sort of like thing, a scary entity. But what's even stranger is that after Mojang removed this feature from the game and from any future updates, look what they did. Look at this history. Remove customized worlds, and then worlds previously generated with this world type can no longer be loaded. Mojang stopped players from using this in a newer version. But why? What was Mojang trying so desperately to hide from us? While this mystery was deleted along the version, does Bedrock Edition actually have a version that opens a portal to the deep, dark dimension? The issue? This player claims he is in version preview 1.19.80.24. Previews are like snapshots for Bedrock Edition, except the issue is this version has still not been released officially, but I have found a way to access it. I'm going to show you later in the video. Except, let's just watch what he does. Look, he killed this warden, and wardens normally drop nothing, right? But what is that? A warden core? Did you see that in his hotbar? Did it say warden core? Can someone rewind the video and check for me? Let me know in the comments. Look at it. It's flashing in his hotbar. What the? Why is it flashing like that? What is he doing? Wait. Is he walking towards the ancient city frame? Wait, is he going to do what I think he's going to do? Guys, do you know what? Are you thinking what I'm thinking? There's no way. Man is keeping me in suspense here. He's building up to it. He's building up to the frame. What does the warden core have to do with the frame? And how did it drop that? Why isn't, this is an old version that wasn't released. Why is it not in the new versions? Why did they get rid of this warden core item? Wait, what is he doing with it? He's just walking to the side of the portal? Wait. Oh, no way. Mojang actually did it. They added the ancient city portal into Minecraft? Does that take us to the ancient city dimension? What does it look like? Why isn't he going into it? No. Show up. The video just ended. Okay, we have to test this ourselves. Why did Mojang delete this version? For Java Edition on PC, you use something called a launcher to use any version you want. But on Bedrock Edition, that doesn't exist. At least not officially. You see, if you Google this, you can actually download an unofficial Bedrock launcher. Now, I've tried this out and it works incredible. Once you download it, you get this very dodgy looking .exe file, but if you launch it, it should be fine. Please tell me that wasn't a virus. Okay, come on. Please. It's loading in. Yes. Okay, not associated or approved by Mojang. They're doing everything they can not to get sued. Great, we're in. And so now if we come to installations, we can create a new installation. And we're looking for this preview version, all right? Preview 1.19.80.24. Where is it? Okay. Look at this. You have all of these Bedrock versions. I haven't seen like any of these before. Wait, is it not here? Did they get rid of it? No, there it is. It was the last preview before the official update that added in the warden. Okay, this is weird. This is so weird already. Let's launch this. It's loading up. Come on. It might actually work. Wait, it's going up! Yes! We're in. We're in. Okay, I'm not gonna sign into my account just because I am worried that Mojang will track this. But now we should be able to play. Create a world. And we're in. Let's see if we can use the locate command. Yes, we can. It was added at this point. Locate structure ancient city. All right, and now we just need to teleport to those coordinates. 904, 920. Okay, TB add S, 904, tilde, 920. Oh, okay, I'm inside some stone. Can we use spectator in this version? Yes. Perfect. Wait, where's the ancient city? There it is. Okay, we're gonna give ourselves night vision as well. I wanna be able to see anything that's going on in case there is anything out of the ordinary. All right, nothing strange just yet. Okay. Let's see if we can get a warden in here, all right? I'm going to try and get a warden to spawn naturally. So if I switch into creative, I should just need to make some sound? Okay. There we go. We've activated the Skull Shrieker. All right, let's grab ourselves a netherite sword. Where is it? Let's enchant our sword as well. So it's absolutely insanely powerful because, as we all know, the warden is really, really strong. Wait, why is it not spawning? Wait, let's try over here. Maybe in Bedrock Edition you have to be in survival mode? Oh, yep. Okay, creative. We got it. There's the warden. Now we just have to kill him. I need to see what this warden core is like. Oh my gosh, we are using a sharpness 5 netherite sword. That took forever. Wait, guys, the warden didn't drop nothing. It did drop something, but it's just a skulk catalyst. That's not, where is the warden's core? Okay, and now another warden spawning. What? How am I supposed to ignite the portal? Can I use this skulk catalyst? Is that? Okay, it's not doing anything. Are you serious? Wait, no. That can only mean one thing. That video was capped. I hate it when people clickbait us, but at least we've tested it, and I can tell you without a doubt it's fake. Unless there's something I missed, I'm pretty certain it's fake. Wait, oh my gosh, who is texting me? I'm trying to record a video, guy. Wait, guys, it's X-Malmo. Hey, the truth might surprise you? Well, what's the truth? Okay, he's typing. Follow the reports of the bugs? What bugs is he talking about? What reports? What bugs? This is an official Minecraft link for Minecraft Pocket Edition. What? This, I don't understand, but that's the version. MC 1 block at a time. Minecraft 2.0 was a fail. No, but didn't that version get cancelled? It never got released. How could it be a fail? I traced each and every report, and here's what I found. Allegedly, I need to find some fire. But how do I find fire or even make fire when I can't craft a flint and steel? A flint and steel has 1 iron, 1 flint. I can't even hold like one thing at a time. My theory is there are loads of lava pools and plains biomes, and surely one of them would be here. And so there should be fire around the lava pool, but I'm not seeing anything. It's okay. There's a lot of plains here. There'll be something. Anything? Bro, there's no way. There's not even a single. There. Yes. Okay. Thank goodness. We got fire right ready to go. And it said to find the secret, I need to pick up fire. Wait, it just disappeared. How come I can pick up everything but not this? Is it because it's not technically a block? But I could pick up items and they were blocks. I don't get this. And then it just gets weirder when players say that you have to pick up a gravel block. I don't know how that's connected to fire, but there should be, usually there's some in water. Oh, over there, perfect. So I just pick this up. Wait, it's working. But I just dug up the fire. So I was never holding the fire. So it wasn't actually invisible. I just didn't pick it up. I don't understand. Okay, so this is normal, but they say it starts breaking when I throw it. Huh? The gravel just lit the ground on fire. I mean, flint comes from gravel, and flint can light up things. So is that why gravel's lighting? Or does it have something to do with me digging up the fire? What does this have to do with? I don't understand what's going on. This version is so random, it makes no sense. Mojang usually fixes bugs in their games. Why not fix this? Wait, Minecraft 2.0 was supposed to be released around the same time as this version. What if this is the original Minecraft 2.0? This is what it was supposed to be. 2 hands, you know, you could pick up stuff. It's like they were calling it new features. And then it just because it had so many bugs, Mojang decided to delete it from the game. Or maybe that's completely wrong, and instead Mojang is trying to create a new game mode. I don't know, but let me know what you think in the comments below.